Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to properly refill your hotspot in Solana Spa to prevent an airlock. An airlock happens when air bubbles get trapped in the jet pump lines. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: rag or small towel. Parts you will need: 76028 freshwater pre-filter. Step 1. Remove the standpipe cap, filter, and filter standpipe. If you have a newer hotspot with the Frog water care system, remove the Frog cap while filling to allow the air to escape the plumbing lines. Replace the Frog cap once the spa is filled. Step 2. Place the water hose in the standpipe fitting as far as it will go and turn the water on full blast. Step 3. Hold a rag securely around the hose in the standpipe fitting to force any air out of the lines. Step 4. After a couple of minutes, install the pre-screened filter on the garden hose and continue filling the spa through the filter compartment. Step 5. After the water level reaches 6 inches from the bar top, turn the water off and connect power to the spa. Step 6. To check operation of the jet system and remove any remaining air from the heating system, push the jets button twice to make the jet pump run on high speed for 1 minute. Once the jet system is fully operational, as indicated by strong non-surging jets, priming of the spa is complete. Good job. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.